Hi, what is the real trick to make your visitor stay longer on your website? Wait, before that, why does that even matter? Clients invest a lot to get visitor, but when visitor doesn't stay longer, Google will not rank them in future. So, do you know what is the average session duration? Is less than a minute. People stay less than a minute on website average. Well, how you can increase that average session duration? Like you can increase it up to 8 or 10 minutes from just 1 minute. Well, data says that at least 70% people don't take any action on the website. They just come, skim through the website, maybe scroll the blog and leave. They don't take any action, they don't click anything. But there's a real trick that you can uh, force force or encourage your visitors to take action, make click on your website. That is, you add a YouTube video, you embed a YouTube video that is very much related to the content or topic of the blog article. So when people will click on the YouTube video, they will essentially stay longer time. I'm giving you a demonstration. This is the article writer. What does it do? You write on any topic and it embeds a YouTube video. Yeah, article has been written and this AI tool has embedded a very related video. This article is about how to get up early, proven ways on how to get up early for success, and the video it has embedded is how to make waking up at 6 a.m. feel effortless. So
How can people
you see, it has been published on the blog, directly published, and here is the video. So what people will do? People will read, and when they will come here, they will click it,
how
and
can people
it is
become
a
a morning
12
person
minute
or learn
video.
to get
So
up
even if
early
they watch
more
at least
easily or
5
more
minutes
regularly?
from this
Yeah.
video,
3 days
this
of
will
pain,
add
the rest
with
is
the
easy. So it takes
session
about 3.
duration of your blog section visiting. So this AI tool will help you make people stay longer on your website, and it will increase your average session duration. You do not need to do anything, it does everything automatically. And this tool is Nany Article. I have mentioned the link in the description. You must try it, and it have a free tier so that you can try. You get 4 articles per month for free, so you can try Nany Article.